You're watching the STALLMARK channel. We welcome you back to a Christmas blizzard. Hey Toby, do you want to help with the Christmas decorations? Ryan's not here yet. Don't worry, I'm sure he's just stuck in traffic with the blizzard. He never misses a Christmas party. Don't worry, he'll be here. It's Christmas Eve. What's going on? Guys, it's Ryan, your crush. Shh, they're talking. Aww. Cool party. Yeah, I'm glad I came. Yeah, thanks. Sorry I'm a little late. Oh, it's cool. It's the blizzard. So yeah, guys, this was my STALLMARK channel Christmas special, a Christmas blizzard. Be sure to give a like, comment, subscribe.